Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Now in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet, and as you can see on the second position we've got System Update, so let's simply tap on it. Now we can either tap on Check for Updates if your device won't do it automatically, or simply wait, because as you can see it is checking for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one, where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course you can tap on Check for Updates if you're not sure. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. So it will show you the information about it, basically what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install, and your device will of course apply the update to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.